Hi, welcome to this interesting question on Surds. We are given this expression over here where we have 27 to the x is equals to square root, okay, and within the square root we have 3 and another square root 27 over here. Now how can we go about doing this? We need to apply the rules of indices step by step. Now let me just focus on what is inside this square root over here. So I have 3 into multiplied by square root 27. Now, as we know, 3 is 3 to the power of 1 and 27 can be written as 3 cubed. Okay, and square root is actually the whole term raised to the power of half. Okay, by indices rules, we know that am to the power n is am times n. So here what I have is 3 to the power of 1 dot multiply into 3 into the power of 3 over 2. Now the next indices rule we're going to apply is am multiplied by an is equals to am plus n. Okay, now we can apply this rule over here. So I have 3, 1 plus 3 over 2, I will get 5 over 2. Okay, so that is basically how you can take this whole expression 3 multiplied into root 27 and simplify it until we get to this point here. Now if I put this back into this main equation, I have 27 to the x equals to square root of 3 to the power of 5 over 2. And as what we saw just now, 27 is 3 cubed to the power of x equals to 3 to the power of 5 over 2, and a square root is again represented by a power to the half. Okay, and now applying the indices rules again, we have 3 into 3x equals to 3 to the power of 5 over 4. And now what do you see? We see that both the bases are the same, which automatically implies that both the powers over here are the same. So what you have is 3x is equals to 5 over 4, and bringing 3 over, what you will get is x is equals to 5 over 12. Okay, so that is the final answer here for this indices question. Okay, so I hope that this question has given you a good idea how to apply the indices rules step by step to solve such questions. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.